But the premise of this new series is for me to start from $0 and start trying out tons of different side hustles to get my cheddar straight. The purpose of this series is to put myself in the shoes of many people out there who might have all of their basic needs kind of met, but are looking for some side income to hopefully start saving. Now, the monetary goal that we'll strive for is to earn enough for a down payment on a rental property. Not in California, probably in a state with like the cheapest real estate prices in the United States, but that's just because I'm thinking of a 20% down payment. People buy rental properties with 3 to 5% down, so maybe even in California, but we can't really even start thinking about that until we get to the around $10,000-$15,000 range. We have a long way to go, so let's pop in and let me explain the first hustle I want to get into in order to get us off the ground.
We have to start now.
My first thought was dumpster diving. I've seen people try it on YouTube behind department stores and find valuable items that they can then flip online for a profit. Looks kind of fun, and this way we would be able to start from scratch, but I feel like that's really not for everyone.